Hey everybody, Paul James Caden here with the Mystical Unknown. In today's video, I'm going to try a different kind of experiment to see if we can get any EVPs and spirit voices through running water. There's a gentleman here on YouTube, you probably heard me mention his name in my videos in the past. A friend of mine in the UK by the name of Paul Faircloth. He gets a lot of really great EVPs and spirit voices through just running water in his tub. And it's great to see somebody doing that because these are really old recommended experiments when it comes to capturing EVPs. I've tried it in the past actually with my kitchen sink and running water, probably about 13, 14 years ago. I read it in some books that the old timers would suggest this, just if it's raining outside, if you're near a creek or a river, or just running water in your house, turn on a tape recorder, a voice recorder, and you're likely to get EVPs. I wasn't that successful with it in the past, but now that my connection with spirit is much stronger, I want to see if I can break through and get the kind of results that Paul Faircloth gets in his experiments. So let's cut the video, go to the kitchen sink where I have a bowl set up and ready to run some water and see if the spirits will speak through the sound of running water. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we got the bowl set up in the sink. I'm just going to adjust the water and then see if we can get any spirit voices coming through in the sound of the water. All right, are there any spirits here with me today? And are you able to communicate with me through the sound of the running water? Could you tell me how many spirits are around me right now? And if there's anyone communicating with me right now through this method, could you tell me where are you from? Do you live in this house or around this property? Or are you from somewhere else? And why do you choose to communicate with me? What is your purpose in having contact with me here on the physical plane? When spirits communicate with the living, is their purpose malevolent or evil, or benevolent and innocent? And when someone like myself communicates with spirits, who or what are we talking to? Are you the souls of human beings who have departed? Are you angels, extraterrestrials, interdimensional, or something else? Who and what are you exactly? Could you tell me that, please? Well, I thank any and all of you that may have left a message or a word for me today through this method. I greatly appreciate it if you did try to communicate. And we will speak again at a later time, my spirit friends. And for all of you who have watched this video, thank you for watching. I hope our water experiment was successful today, and I'll see you all in the next video. God bless.